Hello guys, I just thought that I would, share my thoughts about the TRX-4. I have had my TRX-4 for about 2 months now. I've recorded a few little videos and just showing off what the unit can do. Mainly it's been while I've been learning how to drive it, how to maneuver the TRX-4 around different obstacles and on different surfaces. This video here is my friend driving it while I'm filming. I just wanted to see what it looked like. I'm used to watching the car and trying to control it, so it was nice to be able to have somebody else managing the drive. I guess my first thoughts are that I love it. I think it's great. I've got friends who think that it's an expensive toy, it's an expensive little thing to have, but honestly, in the time I've had it, I've broken a steering servo horn. That's it. I've beaten this thing up, and it's still going really well. Recently, I took it down to the beach. It had a bit of sand and a bit of crap that needed to be cleaned out of it, but I've just done my first bit of maintenance on the unit, which was to grease the portals. So, just a little bit of disassembly and reassembly, and that seems to have worked quite well. I'll take it out for a run this weekend, and just a nice light run just to let that grease settle in, because it feels quite a bit stiffer now that I've re-greased, but yeah, it's pretty good. I guess the main purpose of trying to do this video was to show that you can play with these things anywhere. This is out the back of the local bowling centre. This is like a fire pit. There's just rocks in a circle, and we're just driving over it. There's a bit of tall grass. There's a bit of sticks and things that make an obstacle. You don't need special courses with these vehicles. You can just drive them anywhere. Right now, that's just a bit of roofing iron. There's a couple of other bits of debris around that we drove on. We drove on a dirt hill just off to the side of this as well. Anybody who thinks that they don't have somewhere specific, so they're not going to bother with the sport, there's obstacles everywhere. You can drive off gutters, you can drive at your local skate park, you can drive anywhere you've got something to climb over. You do get used to locking and unlocking the front and rear. I like that element of this. I don't think I'd buy the Sport for that reason. I like unlocking and locking, but each to their own. I really like the car though, so I think I'm going to stick with my little hobby. Thanks guys.